It's high time that Filipino people push back itong mga nasa kapangyarihan. Kundi habang buhay na lang tayo maghihirap.
Move against the probable amendment to the charter is a good move to run for, a good reason to run for senator?
When I came out opposing any attempt to tinker with our Constitution, walang politika doon. Walang politika ron. Nakikita ko lang yung direksyon nilang tinatahak ay hindi para sa Pilipino. At wala kasing opposition na. So somebody must stand up and oppose lahat ng mali nilang ginagawa. It's a risky thing. It's a risky proposition. Kaya lang, bansa mo na yung nakataya. Yung bansang yun, doon din nakatira yung mga anak ko. Doon din yung asawa ko, doon din ang pamilya ko. Kung wala mag-o-oppose, di damay-damay tayo.
But things being the way they are in Philippine politics, you are running against City Hall. You are running against Malacanang.
It's high time. It's high time that Filipino people push back itong mga nasa kapangyarihan. Kundi habang buhay na lang tayo maghihirap. Kaya panahon na tatanggalin natin yung mentalidad na ganyan talaga, you do not fight City Hall. I'm not fighting City Hall. I'm calling out City Hall for the many wrong policies that it seeks to do. Hindi dapat. At walang masama doon. Bakit? Right yun eh. Bilang Pilipino, karapatan kong magpahayag ng aking disgusto sa maling polisiya at direksyon at patakaran ng gobyerno.
And you're planning to run as independent?
When I run, it's clear to me that I will run as an independent. Because it's clear to me that my party should only be the Republic of the Philippines. And my party mates and my party colleagues should be no other than the Filipino people. I will not be beholden to any political party, to any politician, to any oligarch.